The HP15's eq2334 astronomical units is powered by AMD Ryzen. AMD Ryzen 35300U processor, 2.6 GHz up to 3.8 GHz, Core 4, Threads 8, with AMD Radeon Graphics. This new HP15's laptop comes with 8 GB DDR4 RAM and 15.6 diagonal FHD 1920x1080 IPS micro edge anti-glare 250 nits 45% NTSC display. This laptop is designed to run more efficiently and more reliably at faster speeds with DDR4 RAM. Everything from multitasking to playing games gets a performance boost. HP15's laptop is available in capacities up to 512 GB NVMe PCIe SSD storage. This laptop runs on Windows 10 Home 64 operating system. The whole system of this HP15's eq2334 astronomical units laptop is powered by a 3-cell, 41 Wh Li-ion battery. With long battery life and fast charge technology, work, watch, and you can stay connected all day. It comes with an HP True Vision HD camera, with an integrated dual-array digital microphone and touchpad keyboard. This integrated precision touchpad featured with multi-touch support speeds up navigation and productivity. This laptop has USB 2x Type-A, 1x USB Type-C, HDMI, 1x HDMI ports, and connectivity. This HP laptop is also equipped with Wi-Fi 802.11a, B, G, N, AC, 1x1, and Bluetooth wireless network connectivity. The new HP15's eq2334 astronomical units laptop comes with a simply gorgeous look. It is perfect for your daily office work and home use.